Hello, Vicho. Let's read the question. The question says ideal gas undergoes an adiabatic change in its state from P1 V1 T1 to P2 V2 T2. The work done in the processes. We have given इनिशियल स्टेट दी हुई है जो कि P1 V1 T1 पे और फाइनल है P2 V2 T2 पे। हमको उसका वर्क डन निकालना है where N is number of moles, Cp and Cv are molar specific heat of gas at constant pressure and constant volume. We have four options. We have to find work done. So here if we make the graph of this, it will be like pressure and volume graph, PV graph. It will like this P1 V1 and this is with P2 and V2. This is initial and this is final position. The key concept of this question is we know that in adiabatic process change exchange or heat changes is zero. So we have PV gamma equals to constant that consider it as K. इसको हम K consider करते हैं. So P1 V1 gamma equals to P2 V2 gamma. We can write this from this equation. So on integrating dW, we have integration of PdV, and from this we will have work done from A to D. We can write this part, or the work done of adiabatic will be integration of K upon V gamma dP, which will give us K times K is constant, तो K बाहर ले लेंगे, V1 V2 and dV upon V की power gamma, and from this K is constant, V1 V2 V की power minus gamma dV, and from this we will have K constant हो जाएगा आपका V की power minus gamma plus 1. इंटीग्रेशन हमने खोला तो this will be our answer with limits V1 to V2. These are limits V1 से V2 जा रहा है initial to final. From this W work done equals to K V2 1 minus gamma minus K V1. इसको हमने लिमिट रख के इसको हमने खोल दिया है, एक्सपेंड कर दिया है K के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करके. 1 minus gamma equals to P2 V2 gamma, देन को दोबारा से लिखना पड़ेगा. it work done equals to P2 V2 gamma multiply by V2 1 minus gamma minus P1 V1 gamma minus multiply by V1 1 minus gamma and divided by 1 minus gamma. And after this we'll have W equals to P2 V2 minus P1 V1 upon 1 minus gamma, which will give us P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon gamma minus 1. So work done of adiabatic will be P1 V1 minus P2 V2. इसको हम इनिशियल माइनस फाइनल करके याद कर सकते हैं, गामा माइनस 1. इक्वेशन फर्स्ट कंसिडर इट, एंड PV इक्वल्स टू nRT. ये आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन होती है. दिस वी विल हैव nR P1 माइनस nR T2. PV को nRT से हमने सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया है, आगे कुछ नहीं. गामा माइनस 1 इक्वल्स टू nR हमने कॉमन ले लिया, T1 माइनस T2 अपॉन गामा माइनस 1, R अपॉन गामा माइनस 1 को एक साथ लेके, अच्छा n T1 minus T2, and from this work done will be n CV T1 minus T2, and we know CV equals to R upon gamma minus 1. From this we have CV T1. Let's check the options. So the final answer is NCV T1 minus T2. Option B is the correct one. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.